My name's Brittany and I've been making welding art for 6 years now. I'm kind of artsy as it is, and then I got introduced to welding and both the hobbies kind of mixed together. What I like about welding is that you can get any scrap pieces, find whatever you can find, and make something cool with it. Started doing motorcycles with my weld art because I've been driving dirt bikes and stuff since I was a little girl, probably about 5. And I think motorcycles are cool. When I was younger, we had Lego and Meccano, we had drill bits, and we were always into the tools, always in Dad's shop doing something. It takes from anywhere from 1 hour to a few days, depending on how detailed and if I even have the parts on hand. Sometimes it's in like the metal bin at work, or I just have screws and bolts and nuts laying around the house. Whatever I have, I kind of just see what I can make with it.